Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the number of sodium channels per square micrometer. This is in case of the myelinated mammalian neurons. So number of sodium channels per square micrometer in the myelinated mammalian neurons. So the first is the surface of the myelin. So surface of myelin, it includes less than 25. The surface of the myelin is less than 25, the axon terminal. And what about the axonal terminal? So axonal terminal, it is about 20 to 75. Then looking at the cell body, it will be around 50 to 75. So as we are increasing, the number increases. So axonal terminal is 20 to 75, then cell body is slightly higher, that is 50 to 75. Now initial segment is about 500, 350 to 500. This will be the initial segment. Then nodes of Ranvier. This is very important, nodes of Ranvier. Here it is higher, that is it is about 2000 to 12,000. It is about 2000 to the 12,000. So another thing to note is that the axons of unmyelinated or the unmyelinated. So unmyelinated neuron. So this is about 110. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.